updates for the wet month of February right now. What is up, everyone? Welcome to this episode of D3. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the park updates for the month of February here at the Disneyland Resort. First, as usual, I would like to thank you all for your continued support of this channel. Remember, if you like what you see, go ahead and click the subscribe button below and become a member of the D3 family. Alright, D3 fam, like I said in the intro, February is traditionally the wettest month of the year here at the Disneyland Resort. With that being said, folks, I'm going to tell you guys all the park updates of all the attractions that are going to be under renovation this time of year, all the way through spring. And also, I'm going to give you guys, as you know, an update on Avengers Campus over at California Adventure. With that being said, folks, let's get this party started. Alright, D3 fam, our first update of the day is here in Fantasyland with King Arthur Carousel. You see, King Arthur's Carousel is under refurbishment until May of this year. I guess they're going to get it all spruced up for the 65th anniversary, so it's going to be really cool. It's going to look like it's nice and brand new. Again, folks, here in Fantasyland, here at Disneyland, the King Arthur Carousel is under refurbishment until May. Let's go to our next update. Alright, D3 fam, let's continue right along here in Fantasyland. We're right across from King Arthur's Carousel. You can see the Scary Adventures of Snow White right here in front of you guys. It's also under refurbishment until this summer. So there's no estimated time of when this ride will be open. I don't want to say a date yet. Traditionally, it's like around late May or early June. So again, folks, here in Fantasyland, oh, it says spring 2020 right here. So which still means it could be in May. So again, folks, here in Fantasyland, the Scary Adventures of Snow White is under refurbishment. Let's go to our next update. Alright, D3 fam, we're over here in Frontierland / New Orleans Square. As you can see, the Mark Twain Riverboat is still under refurbishment right now. I believe hopefully it'll be back up and running maybe sometime in the springtime, hopefully April or May. So I'll let you guys know in my next month update the exact dates it's going to be back open. With that being said, folks, let's go to our next update. Alright, D3 fam, for our next update, we're here in New Orleans Square in front of the iconic Haunted Mansion attraction here at the Disneyland Resort. As you know, from the end of January all the way through the spring, the Haunted Mansion is under renovation, you know, from the conversion from the Nightmare Before Christmas layover they had during the holiday season. It's going back to the normal traditional Haunted Mansion theme, probably from spring all the way up to the fall this time. Again, folks, we're here in front of the iconic Haunted Mansion here at the Disneyland Resort, where it's under renovation from the end of January through spring. That being said, folks, let's go to our next update. Alright, D3 fam, now you're all caught up with what's going on over at the Disneyland side. Now let's head over to California Adventure and check out the progress on Avengers Campus and all the other construction updates. Let's go. Alright, D3 fam, here's an update from the west side, or the west entrance of Avengers Campus here at California Adventure. As you can see, the Spider-Man attraction is coming along nicely, folks. They're well, it looks like they're right on schedule with this opening in the summertime. Looks really good. You can see in the background right there, you have Guardians of the Galaxy. Try to raise the camera and see if we get a better shot real quick. There you go. The Spider-Man attraction right there. I'll go around and try to give you guys another couple of quick shots of the construction on the south end of Avengers Campus. Let's go check it out real quick. Alright, D3 fam, we're over by Tomater's Jamboree here at Carousel. As you can see in the background, there's more of the Avengers Campus construction right there. It looks really nice. Coming along, you see the brickwork right there in the background. Try to raise the camera up a little bit for you guys right there. There you have it. This looks like it's right on schedule. Let's go and give you guys one more view over by Luigis. Alright, D3 fam, we're over here by Luigis Rollicking Roasters here in Carsland. You can see through the trees. Right here, this building right here, this looks really interesting. It looks like it's going to be phase 2 of the new e-ticket attraction over at Avengers Campus. I'm really curious what that building is behind Luigi's Rollicking Roasters right there. And right here in front of me, you have the Route 66 wall. More construction over there, but I'm just curious about what this building is going to be. Is it going to be a new e-ticket attraction? We shall wait and see. With that being said, folks, that concludes this update for Avengers Campus. Alright, D3 fam, the only big update we have as far as attractions over here at California Adventure is, of course, the Grizzly Rapids River Run here. As you can see, their rapids are drained. Yes, they're drained for maintenance. The winter scheduled refurbishment going on right now. I think it's going to be back open sometime late spring, hopefully mid-April, maybe closer to May, but it's normally open around mid-April. Again, folks, this is here over at the Grizzly Rapids River Run here at California Adventure. Well, folks, there you have it. That's your update for the month of February here at the Disneyland Resort. I hope you guys really enjoyed this update. With that being said, folks, this concludes this episode of D3. Thanks again for watching. As usual, feel free to leave a comment below. And also, if you haven't already done so, feel free to subscribe to this channel. And also remember to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and also on Twitter. See you next time.